Okay, so this is an introduction to how to use the Staxoweb C panel. So firstly what we do, we go to staxoweb.co.uk and then we click on the control panel link over on the bar there at the top, and then it'll ask you to log in. You should use your email address and the password that was provided for you when you set the account up. You may have set your own password up, or you may have a generic one that's been allocated to you if it's the first time you've logged in. Once you log into the control panel, you will be faced with a screen that looks like this. Firstly, what you need to do is go to your web hosting. So if you click on manage hosting, and then you'll see the domain name that you're actually dealing with. As you can see, mine's demomo.co.uk, and then we'll go to the manage hosting option. That'll open up a new window and that will take you into your main cPanel page. This is where you control most of the functions of your website. As you can see over on the right hand side, you've got a section here which tells you some more about your account information. As you can see here, it's got your domain name, the type of package, what type of server it's hosted from, the web space you've got left, the bandwidth allocation. As you can see, it's unlimited. How many mailboxes you've used, what your mail server information is, how many databases you've got, and how many subdomains you have set up as well. If you carry on further down, you'll see you've got your unlock FTP option. Now, this is if you're using FTP via a third-party client such as FileZilla. You will actually need to unlock the FTP service. You can do that for a duration of time between 1 hour and 28 days. And you can also unlock that by IP address as well. So if you click unlock by IP address, that will unlock it for that particular IP address that you're using that computer at the moment. Further underneath that, you've got the option to change your control panel password. You can also, underneath that, you've got your FTP login information. So once you've unlocked the FTP, then you'll need to use this information to actually log in. So you've got your username, your password, the server address, and the server IP address. You've also got the amount of users that you have left that are able to log in. Below that, you have the Staxoweb information for the home page, the support website, and the support and sales email addresses as well. Going back up to the top of the list, on the left side, these are all the main functions, and all of these functions here allow you to control and administer your web hosting service. We'll go further into detail into them in further tutorials, but that's just an overview of how to log into your cPanel and where you can find the information. You can actually move these things around, as you can see, so you can set them up however you prefer to view them.